Apparently, I got something called shadow ban. Yes, I did. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you who are stopping by and maybe new here, welcome. The name of my channel is called Sweet with Envy. My name is Sabrina, so hit the subscribe button if you like contents about travel, fashion, lifestyle. So stick around guys. Anywho, I just want to come on here real quickly just to talk briefly about Instagram. Apparently, I got something called shadow ban. Yes, I did. I had no idea what that was. And I just come across it by accident.
It's such a
I've
mess.
been shadow banned and I don't know for how long, because when you're shadow banned, only the people that follow you see your content. So you could be putting up hashtags and all of those other stuff and your stuff just never gets seen. So I use YouTube a lot for finding out how to do this, how to do that. Because when I start my channel, even just to upload a video, I didn't even know how to do that. So I YouTube it. And I came across this video on shadow banning, and there was this girl, I should have wrote her name down. I left her a comment, I gave her a thumbs up and told her thanks for the information. She was talking about shadow banning, and she told me, in her video, she talked about how you can find out if you're shadow banned. So basically you go to the explore page. If I had my phone, I would have showed it to you guys, but I'm talking on my phone right now. I use a Samsung S8 to do all this video. What you would do, you would go under one of your older pictures, go under one of your older pictures on Instagram. Then what you're gonna do, you're gonna put your name in. The reason why you're gonna put your name as a hashtag, because more than likely your name is not going to be that popular. Like me, my Instagram page is called Sweet with Envy. Go follow me on Instagrams, guys. My Instagram page is Sweet with Envy. So what I did, I went on one of my older pictures and I hashtag Sweet with Envy under one of my pictures in the comment section. Then after I did that, you clicked on that hashtag, which is the one that you just created under your picture, and then your picture is supposed to show up underneath that hashtag. If that doesn't happen, you were shadow banned. I'm like, oh my gosh. I've been shadow banned. So I've been shadow banned, and I don't know how long I've been shadow banned. So I've been on there putting up all my stuff. And let me tell you, I think I've been putting up some nice stuff. You know, I've been putting up my little clip with my teaser. Yeah, come to my YouTube channel. YouTube. Folks. So anywho, so I'm shadow banned. So how do you fix it? So from my research and so forth, my research, which is all through YouTube, and I did some Googling as well. I read some articles on it, and they said that the common things for being shadow banned is that you're using maybe bad hashtags. And I don't use a lot of hashtags because I don't understand, because they keep saying you can't use too many hashtags nowadays, and there's only 5, so I don't know what the truth is on that. So what I did, I just put a couple of hashtags. Sometimes I even put 3 hashtags. And the common hashtag that I have been putting up for the past 5 months, ever since I started my YouTube channel, was to put small YouTuber. Hashtag small YouTuber. Hashtag new YouTuber. I put that. I've been using that hashtag for the past 5 months. And I went back and I looked on all my pictures, and they have those 2 hashtags. So one guy, he called himself Thor. He said that if you use the same hashtag over and over, that could potentially get you shadow banned, because Instagram see it as you're a bot or you're a spammer. So I'm pretty sure that's what I have been doing. I got shadow banned for that. So whenever I become unshadow banned from Instagram, I'll let you guys know. I give you a follow-up what I'm doing. What I did, I sent Instagram a message. You know, they said you could do that. So what I did, I messengered them and said that, you know, hey, my hashtags are not working. Is there, what did I say? Hey, my hashtag is not working. Is there anything you can tell me on how to resolve this issue? Of course, Instagram don't respond back, but you know, I did get a notification that they received my message. You know, it popped up saying that, yeah, your message was received. One thing they suggest doing is from listening to different videos and reading, they said you can take the app off your phone and just be off Instagram for a while, at least for a week or so. I'm gonna do 2 weeks. I'm not gonna be on Instagram for 2 weeks. And that's another thing too. So I deleted the app from my phone, and I'm not gonna be on there for like 2 weeks and see if that helps. So yeah, so there was this guy, he has this business and he got shadow banned. He was very helpful. And he said how he got it removed immediately. He went and paid $5 for an ad on Facebook, and he said it was lifted immediately. He said that that makes sense because that's probably telling Instagram that he's not a spammer and he's a real person. So if he's willing to pay for an ad, he must be a real person that has a business. And he said it was lifted immediately. I was considering doing that, but I'm like, I don't know. You know, out of desperation, I might try that one if after being off Instagram for 2 weeks doesn't work. I might do that because I do have a Sweet with Envy Facebook page that I don't use, and I need to start using that. And what else? So that's it, guys. So I've been shadow banned on Instagram. So I'm gonna do a follow-up on this to let you guys know if it helped. So I have, like, for me, there are people on Instagram that don't know they're shadow banned because you're engaging with the same people that follow you. And for you, that's it. But the thing is, your account is not private, so therefore you are open to other people seeing your content and just engaging with new people and getting new followers. So that means something for you. So you need to do this test to find out if you're shadow banned, because you probably don't even know you're shadow banned. And yeah. So I hope this was helpful and meaningful, and because, you know, everybody use social media a little differently and so forth. I want to get better at it. Yeah. So, okay, guys, so that's it. If you're shadow banned on Instagram, yes. I'm shadow banned. You shadow ban me. Oh my God. How could Instagram shadow ban me and stuff? I mean, really? I hardly use it. And when I do use it, okay, guys, so I'll be doing a follow-up on this, and if I don't post this, then I'll loop it together if it get resolved so you guys can. All right, okay, my peace out. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, guys. Keep in touch. Put in the comments below if you're shadow banned. Put in the comments below if you guys can help me out and let me know what else I can do in order to become unshadow banned from off of Instagram, because, you know, I don't know if the method I'm doing is working right now. So any help I could get, I appreciate it. Okay, guys, peace out.